on the go video. And guys, this is the name of the game right here. Getting up early to get the deal first. So I don't know who's heard or who hasn't heard about or trying to get these PS5s. It's a terrible thing to want to get. They're sold out everywhere. They come in stock and they disappear in like 5 minutes. So we're on a mission for the PS5 like everybody else. So today we are up early going to Walmart. So the word is that they are coming in multiple times. They don't know when it's on the truck, when it's not on the truck, how many are on the truck. So I guess first come, first serve. So I am at Walmart. It's 5 o'clock and I'm playing the Black Friday game of getting there in line early and just waiting. So headed to Walmart. You guys are gonna come hang out with me and let's see if we can get ourselves a PS5 or two. All right, guys. See you there. All right, guys. We are in front of Walmart and they have about 17 here. Not sure if we are going to get one or not. We're going to take the walk. I'm going to take you inside with me, see if we can make our way in to get a PS5. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, follow us, Angel on the Go. We're going to let you know if we get one and let you know how you can get one on your end. All right, guys, follow us as we go. So I am number 16 out of the 16 PlayStations that they have. So the last one. So we're going to walk inside and grab this PS5. All right, guys, we are inside. They let us in early so we can grab the PS4s before the rush comes in. 16, number 16, last one they had.
Not getting any take-alongs.
Check that out, guys. All right, guys, we are nearing the front. PS5. The hunt is over. We got the PlayStation 5. As you can see, it's a big, bulky box. And we have been trying to get this online forever and ever. And for those of you who are still trying to go get it, Walmart is getting them sporadically in all of their stores. And they don't know how many are coming in. If you know an employee, I'm hearing that employees can log into the system and see how many are coming to their store. So if you have that kind of hookup, then definitely check it out. Ask your friends, ask your family members. But they are getting it sporadically. And again, the hunt is open. PS5. We will see you on the next one. All right, so we're walking out of Walmart, guys. Now, I was number 16, and they only had 16 of these things available. So, you know, they took everybody to the back in the line, and somebody tried to sneak in with one of their friends. But you know that's not happening. There's no way I'm gonna wait out here and then let somebody just jump in to get it in front of me. All right. So the PS5. For those of you out there trying to get it, get up early. Go to your Walmart, stand in line. They may or may not have it that day, but they continue to bring them in. And I think we are done for the year. Thank you guys again for watching, subscribing, and we will see you on the next one.
Look, you guys, do not look too hard at my messy room. We got packages everywhere.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Telling you I was gonna get one.
Are you kidding me? The kids are still asleep, right? They didn't see you? Look at this, you guys. It is now, what time is it? About 7? 7? No, it's 8.
8 something, 9.
Okay. My husband left. What time did you leave?
I was there at 5.
All right.
A little after 5, so like 4 something I left.
Okay, so he left at 4 something. And basically, I was on the phone with him. He went to one Walmart that was by our house, but they actually had about, what, 30 people in front of you? A lot?
Oh, the first one had...
The first one.
Yeah, like 32. I counted it out. It was like 32, 36 people there.
And what time did you get to the first one?
Probably... That's the one I got to at like 5, like just after 5 o'clock. And I sat there for like 5 minutes and I was like, 30 people, I doubt I was gonna get one.
He called me and he was like, should I leave? And I'm like, no, it might be 32.
No way.
And he was like, no, I'm gonna leave and go to a different one. And I was like, oh my God, today's Saturday.
Saturday?
Yes.
I felt like everybody was gonna be out.
Yes. So you went to another one. Was it like a tourist one, a hidden one?
It was. So this one was like a hidden one because I knew not as many people would be there.
And no, we are not dropping the location. Sorry, you guys. Because we might be back tomorrow. We might need 2. One for the living room, boom. And one for our room, boom.
There's no way we'll be able to keep one in this room. These kids will snatch it out the minute we leave.
Yeah.
But, so we went to the other one and it was 15 people. And when I got there, it was another car parking. So I had to speed up, I had to hurry up.
Oh my God.
And I jumped in line and then there was another guy jumped in behind me. And we sat there and then we heard there was like 16, 17 of them.
And it was like, he called me from the second one and said, there's like 14 people ahead of me. And I'm like, well, I guess that's better than the first one, which was 30. And then what happened?
And then the guy came out and just confirmed that they had 16. And I was number 16.
What are the odds, you guys? We cannot make this up.
That's crazy.
We cannot make this up, you guys. What are the odds of him going to one first and they had over 30 people? He goes to a second one after the fact and there's like 15 people ahead of him. And my husband ended up being number 16. 16. You know what that means? We got to play the lottery. And number 16 got to be one of the numbers. So then you had to, what time did he come out and tell you guys?
It was kind of like iffy, like around like 6 or so, where it was like the word of how many they had. But they came out and confirmed because it was 16, but then the dude came out and counted like 17 and it was like thumbs up to everybody. So I was like, well, everybody in line got one.
But they had you standing outside.
And then at like...
and they opened at 7?
Well, at like 6:30, he came, the manager came, said they had 16, counted it out, and he was, he pointed me like the last one. So the dude behind me had to be his feelings hurt. So
oh my God. What did the dude behind you do? He just cried and left?
Nah, he just like overwhelmed. And by then, it was already more people that came.
After him?
Yeah, so we get in line. At about 6:45,
did they pass out numbers?
They didn't pass out numbers, but 6:45, the people who they said they counted out, they let in early.
Wow.
And as they were letting us in, some other girl kind of crept on the side, like she was in front of me, so she could get in with us. And I already was like, like I let you come in, cause she wanted to get in. But there's no way you was gonna get in. If I'm number 16, you're not gonna.
But how do they know what 16 that they chose?
I don't know. They just count them out and they just let you in. So then when she kind of snuck in front, and then she kind of came to the back, like.
Did she try to pull a fast one on Angel on the go?
She was like, "I'm just trying to get in," because I guess
right.
They were saying that she came from out of state, and I guess her and her family trying to be going every day. Trying to get one. And then somehow some other guy got in. I don't know how this guy got in. And then he tried to stand, like when they walked us to the back and we were in line electronics, and the guy just kind of walked up to the other 2 people and just like chit chatting. And
These people really think they slick.
this is a PS5. Like everybody's trying to get this. So, you know, I gave them like 2-3 minutes to be like, you know, chat and leave, but then you start seeing somebody get comfortable, and you know when they're trying to stick around. So I had to tell dude like ain't no way, because if I'm 16, anybody get in front of me, so I'm watching the first person to the last person at that point. If I'm the last one in line to get it, because anybody sneak in, then I'm done with.
You guys are gonna see they were about to see the New York Manny.
Man. So
I'm glad I wasn't there. And it was cold, you guys. It is cold out here in Florida, so I decided to stay here and just finish packing orders.
And depending on the Walmart you go to, I've already heard the stories of people going before they close, they're already in line. The people out there, they were out there. It was a couple of people in lawn chairs, the folding chairs. People were out there in pajamas and flip flops. So this PS5 is real. So if you want to get one,
it's
again,
no
you gotta
joke.
go early.
No joke. So what happened to the people that were trying to sneak in there?
They snuck out of there.
So you had to step up, and no one said something but you.
I mean, they kind of. There's a couple people was like, I don't think he was there, but I'm number 16, so even if he snuck in, they would have still got there. So
you were the last one, so you had to tell him like, look,
ain't no way. I'm not gonna lose out. You know how long I was sitting in that line?
How long?
5 o'clock to
2 hours, right?
2 hours.
All right, so
Terrible.
then they started handing them out. Man, you guys, let me just tell you guys, we have been trying, and I'm talking low because I know my kids are going to be knocking. We have been trying our best
nonstop
to get our hands on one of these, because what had happened was, terrible story. We had the PlayStation 4, and my son ended up running around in front of the PlayStation 4, and he tripped over the wire, I guess the controller wire, and the whole PlayStation 4 fell to the ground and broke. And ever since then, he wanted another one, but he wanted the 5. But we seen the 4. Remember we seen the 4?
I was gonna get the 4, but
yeah, but then the 5 was coming out.
It was the same time frame, so
yeah,
it was pointless.
Because the 4 and the 5 were the exact same price.
Almost. It's like $100 more. But if you get the other one, the digital one, then it'd be the same price.
Yes. So my son's birthday was December 3rd, and this is all he wanted for his birthday. But we could not find one. And I tried to go on eBay and Amazon, and they had people selling these for about $3,000 to $4,000. I said, you crazy. $2,000, $1,900. No. So I am just so glad that we found one before Christmas. This, let me show you guys. I cannot believe, and this box is huge and it is heavy. I'm gonna show you. And it comes with, this one's this one, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so this one is the PS5, and I'm whispering because they could be getting up any minute. This is the PS5. It comes with one controller. Yeah. Look at this, you guys.
They always get you with that nonsense.
I know, right? Look at that. And I'm going to turn it around. Can you turn it around so I can show them? You guys, this box is huge. All right, so play like never before. Look at this. You guys got one more.
All right.
Angelique, did you see what we got? What was it? Okay.
All right, want to do the big one then the little one?
His hair.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. You guys can do the big one.
All right. Next. Okay, what do you think this is? All right, go ahead and open it. Go around. This is the last one.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I know it's not real.
Angelique, help him open it.
Yeah.
What is it? What is it? What is it, boo-boo?
No, I told you. Oh, wow. She just got
Now you guys can play
Fortnite. Oh,
Fortnite.
Fortnite. I told you.
Angelique.
told you.
Angelique.
I told you they get it.
Santa's not.
It wasn't easy.
I told her they wouldn't be able to get it because of the box.
The box is super heavy. Daddy, can you pick it
There's
up?
a lot of stuff in
I
there.
don't care about no box.
Did the bot order it before you? Yeah, bots ordering it. Wow,
Bobo, you got a VR and you got a PlayStation 5. All right, here. You guys got to open this. Open
How
that.
much is a VR again?
Yes.
2,000.
Yes. So they got, watch your feet, Angelique. Yes, look at this. They got a PlayStation 5. Look at that. So where's your VR?
It's up here.
All right, so the VR's up here.
You have to stay 6 feet away from it.
VR's right there.
From the PlayStation.
And they got a PlayStation.
Last
Mm-hmm.